Spaghetti and meatballs.
Tom and Jerry. Peanut butter and jelly.
Laurel and Hardy.
Ooh, Sylvester and Tweety.
Apple pie and vanilla ice cream.
Some things are a perfect combination. I'm going to teach you a step up from a regular cow. We are going to learn the magic weave scarf. I really designed this to be a step up from a basic cowl pattern, but also a lot of people like the entrelac scarf. This gives you a similar look without learning a new technique, because honestly, you're knitting and purling through this whole pattern. Be sure to get your kit at onebighappy.com. The kit includes the pattern, the yarn, and a bonus for this kit, and then be sure it's not in every kit, but in this kit, you also get the needles that you'll need. Happy knitting!